Hello guys, welcome to our today's class, okay? Today we are going to work in Inglés Básico 1. We are going to work on pages 8 and 9. And the unit is about practical English 1. The objective of today's class is spell words, okay? So today we are going to learn the alphabet and the pronunciation, yeah? So we are going to see that, okay? So please, let's check. Please repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so we have the alphabet, yeah? So, and most of the time we use the alphabet when we want to spell words, yeah? For example, if somebody asks you, what's your name? My name is Jesus. How do you spell it? It's J-E-S-U-S. Ah, okay, that's your name, Jesus, okay? So in general, we usually like to spell difficult words or names that are difficult to pronounce, okay? So we're going to check first. The first thing that we're going to check, we're going to start with the vowels here. Yeah, so they are here. Yeah, these are called vowels. We're going to put it here. Vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. Yeah, those are the vowels. Yeah, so we're going to check. So pay attention to this part. The first one is A. That's the pronunciation for A. Then we have E, I, O, and U. Or you can also say U. Yeah, that can be the pronunciation of this vowel. So in this case we have A, E, I, O, and U. Yeah, okay, that's the idea. Como les comentaba, generalmente se usa el deletreo cuando, por ejemplo, uno tiene un nombre que le suena muy raro a otra persona. Por ejemplo, una persona que se llame Carlos, a una persona que habla inglés le va a sonar raro. Carlos. Entonces, generalmente la persona le va a preguntar, ¿cómo se deletrea? And so you have to say C-A-R-L-O-S. Ah, okay, Carlos. Yeah. So in that case, that works with the spelling. Okay. So then we're going to give another example. Okay. Let's see. Now we're going to check the consonants. Yeah. So we have the other group that is called consonants. Yeah. That are all the other words that we have here. Okay. So we're going to check the consonants. Look at this one. We have B. B with your lips. B. Okay. N is different than this one. That in this case is V. Look at this part. V. So you know it's different. So here we have B, and this one is V. Okay, so a little bit different. So in that case, okay, let's continue. Here we have another group. For example, we have C, different than S, or different than X. Yeah, so in that case, it's different. Yeah, so we have C, S, X. Yeah, so now not to get confused with that part. Okay, let's continue with the other group. For example, what happened with this one? The pronunciation is D, D. So it's like this one. Porque no es la D del español cuando dice dedo, dado. No. In this case, different because the pronunciation of this one is D. Similar than T. They are very similar, very, very similar. Okay, so for example, here we have D, T, D, T. You see, they are similar, they are similar. They are not the same, but they are similar. Okay, so let's continue with the other group. Okay, so here we have F, no problem. L, M, N. Okay, so we have the other group. F, L, M, N. Okay, so no problem with that part. Look at the difference between this one. This is G, and this is J. So you see different. G, J. Yeah, so there are two differences. Okay, so here we have J and we have K. K, okay? That is important. K. Tiene que poner un poquito de aire a la K. No es K, es K. K, okay? So, similar that, for example, we say P, P, okay? Con un poquito de aire, P, yeah? So in that case, the pronunciation, yeah? So we have the one. What else do we have? We have H, H, and we have Q. Look at the pronunciation, Q. We have R, okay? R, be careful. Todos tienden a decir air, pero air no existe. The correct spelling is R, okay? And finally, we have W, W, Y, Y, and we have Z or Z. Yeah, no problem with that part. You can say Z or Z. Yeah, but don't forget that we have to say Z. Yeah, that is important. Okay, so in this case we have the whole alphabet and how you use them. Okay, so in this part we are going to see when do we use them. So we are going to see an example of how to use them in other contexts. Okay, so now we are going to see how do we use them. So how to spell a word. Yeah, so that's the thing that we're going to see. Yeah, okay. So for example, if somebody asks you, what's your name? I'm going to say, my name is Raúl. Okay, and probably the person can understand your name or how to say it like in the correct way. So in this case, if you don't understand the name, you can say, how do you spell it? How do you spell it? So, and when we refer to this it refers to the name. So we're trying to know how you spell your name, okay? So in this case, what's your name? My name is Raúl. How do you spell it? It's R-A-U-L. L. Ah, okay. Raúl. Ah, okay, so you see. So you say it's R-A-U-L. Okay? So this is the way in which we use spelling for sometimes difficult words. Can be for your name, can also be for your last name, apellido. Yeah, so depends on that. Depends why you need that or what is the word that you need to spell. Okay, so here we can see how to use them and when it is useful to spell some words. Okay, now we are going to see some last names, okay? Question for you. Can you spell these last names? Can you do it? Let's check. Trate de hacerlo usted, de repetirlo, ¿ya? The word that I'm going to say, okay? Ready? Okay, try to say it. Trate de decir la palabra que yo voy a escribir. Okay, very good. Let's check. We're going to check the spelling. Pay attention. R O D R I G U E Z. Okay, Rodriguez. Ah, okay, Rodriguez. That's the way in which you spell this last name, apellido. Okay, let's see the other one. Let's try with the other one. Please pay attention, okay? Are you ready? We're going to do it, yeah? So you have to say the word. You have to spell it, okay? Let's see. Okay, very good, yeah? Good job. Now we're going to check the spelling of this last name, Martinez. Okay, what's your last name? My last name is Martinez. How do you spell it? It's M-A-R-T-I-N-E-Z. Ah, okay, Martinez. Yeah. So, and that's the way in which you spell last names. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm going to give you an activity. Please try to spell your name and your last name. Okay. Para terminar y la práctica con esto, trate de deletrear su nombre y su apellido, ¿ya? Si quiere me lo envía por WhatsApp, si quiere me lo envía por video o lo hace solamente en su casa, ¿ok? So that's it, yeah? So that was Practical English 1, spell words, yeah? So that's the idea, that we learn how to spell words. Remember, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay? That's it. That's the way in which we spell words. Okay? There are other words that we can also use, but that we can also spell. For example, there are some common words that we usually spell. For example, this is CD, DVD, DJ, OK. ¿Y ese? A veces utilizamos el deletreo en español y no nos damos cuenta que es el deletreo que hacemos de el inglés. CD, DVD, DJ, OK, and many other words. Okay, Well, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. Try to practice, try to do the activities, and I'll see you in another class. Goodbye.